but this spirit that is here now, here and now, he is very strong on me. So it's, he say that he shaking up you. He's saying the spirit. He start with that. You know, it start with a word. They are saying, I hear it, and then I hear more. You say that's to shaking you up, and know that you are dependent on us. He's saying that, or she is saying that, spirit, the spirit is saying this, that you take everything for granted, so much you take for granted, and you solve, you think you can solve all the problems with the physical, that you can handle it, like you are like God himself, that you act like and you think like that, your mindset is like that. You want to be the hero, and the hero, there is no hero, because all is talking about words. I don't know words that is. It's he say it's comics. It's in the whole universe is. Well, he's talking now very technical in the spirit way. That is a cosmologic facts pieces. I have to say it in my way because it's hard for me to say those words that he is talking about. He say it's the cosmologic parts. It's going together to build up it. He say it's not coming out from you. It's the universe, the cosmologic parts bring together in one place to build up the knowledge and your existence and your how you act, how your brain is built up, is out from your power, because it's cosmologic parts that have to be together, and sometimes it miss to be together, and it's be so total wrong. He's talking about Lucifer, that when God cast Lucifer down from heaven, that was a cosmologic parts going down on earth. And he said that they are going to bring together those parts. It's have been scattering all over our planet, and those parts without each other it can't exist. It's be a confusing, evil things going on that is today, and they say that they are going to pick up those pieces here on earth and bring them together so they can come together for the good things here on earth. And is this power that we fail here on earth. I know because my son is a very strange person. He think the opposite is good. He think that evil is good and good is evil, and it have failed to put together the real cosmological parts that should be that he is thinking right, that good is good and evil is evil, and not the opposite of each other. So he is really a good picture of what can be wrong, and no one can help him. It's only if those parts in him that is so total wrong, that they twist around and come together to understand in his brain. It's his brain, it is nothing more than his brain that are thinking that good is evil and evil is good. Everything that is evil, he take it as good. And like he only eat halal meat. You know what halal meat is? It's in both Islamic and Jewish way to slaughter the animals, that they cut off the truth, and they are bleeding to death, the animals. It's very cruel, very, very cruel. And my son, he think that is the best meat. He thinking total wrong. And those people that can't see the suffering of an animal, it's people in all kind of religions that I'm thinking that animals have no emotional, they can't think, they only exist to be food for us. And like in China, they eat dogs. They don't think that, they don't see them as something that we pet and we have be together with, and they eat it. They eat the bats also, but that is not. They have emotional also, but they are more wild than a dog. So this is what the Spirit was saying now. It's a new knowledge coming this morning about this cosmology. It's not here like glue into this planet, isn't it? We are affected of everything what's happened in the universe. It's not only what's happened in the our solar system, because there is milliards of solar system in the universe. It have no ending. Does the universe have ending? That's what the researchers are talking about sometimes, but that is is a question we should never ask, because that is very hard to get the answer about. What the spirit is telling me about that answer is that it's ending up in not the stars or planets in it, but it's still going on. This firmament, this holding everything, but in the end of the universe there is no planets or stars or anything. It's only a mass there, and it's everlasting mass. That's the answer from the spirit, but it's no knowledge. Like, we don't need to think about it. We need to think about here and now, what we are doing.